Jai Shankar children. I hope you all are doing well. Last time I had asked you a riddle and you had to guess the name of a fruit. The riddle was Vrikshasya phalam drishtam phalagre vriksha evacha akaradi sakarantam yojanati sapanditaha. Which fruit is this? A fruit which grows on top of the tree and the tree in turn grows on top of the fruit? The answer is pineapple. The hint given to you was Akaradi Sakarantam. The name begins with A and ends with Sa. And the answer is Ananasa. A pineapple is called Ananasa phalam or Ananasam. Have you seen how a pineapple grows? It is a small shrub actually, and the pineapple grows on a central stalk. A pineapple is a multiple fruit. About 100 to 200 flowers grow on top of the stalk and they fuse to form one pineapple. There are leaves again on top of the pineapple, and if that part is cut and planted in soil again, you get another pineapple plant, and from that again another fruit. Over the last so many episodes, you all have learnt Sanskrit names for colors, Varnaha, animals, Pashavaha, birds, Khagaha, and also some fruits, Phalani. So let's move on. Right now, when I look out of the window, I can see a parrot on the Badarika Vrikshaha, the berry tree right in front of me. Can you spot it among the green leaves? It is feeding on the tiny berries. Something amazing about parrots is they use their feet like human hands. With their 4 toes, 2 facing forward and 2 facing backward, they not only walk or perch on the branch, they pick up food and bring it to their mouth. Small to medium-sized parrots are called parakeets. This is an Alexandrine parakeet. Its body is bright green. Notice the red patch on its wing and the curved red beak with yellow tip. See how it balances itself on the branch with the help of its long tail. Now I will speak a few sentences in Sanskrit describing this parrot. Note how the same bird can be called by different names based on its description. Listen carefully. Saha Kiraha. Kirasya Shariram Haritam Shuchir Haritam Ataha Tasya Anyat Ekam Namadheyam Shukaha. Kirasya Chanchuka Vakra Ataha Tasya Ekam Namadheyam Vakrachanchuhu. Chanchukayaha Varnaha Kaha. Chanchukayaha Varnaha Raktaha. Ataha Tasya Ekam Namadheyam Raktatundaha. कीरः फलानि खादति, अतः सः फलादनः। जनाः कीरं गृहे स्थापयन्ति। लालितकः कीरः मधुरं वदति। यथा जनाः वदन्ति तथा कीरः अपि अनुवदति। अतः तस्य अन्यत् एकं नामधेयं मञ्जुपाठकः, one who repeats beautifully. एक पक्षिक कितली नावं? कीरः, शुकः, वक्रचंचुः, रक्ततुण्डः, फलादनः, मंजुपाठकः। हीच गोमटाई संस्कृत भाषेची। तुम्ही प्रार्थना वर्गांतूय शिकतात नव्हे? आमगले देव देवतांगल विविध नाव। Why is Lord Ganesha also called Gajanana? Lord Shiva is known as Neelakantha. Mother Saraswati is also referred to as Hamsavahini. Each of these names is a description, and when you understand it, it helps to bring to mind a beautiful picture of that deity and to keep you engrossed in your aradhana. Hey children, this parrot has reminded me of a popular song. It seems once there was a meeting of tailed animals. A parrot presided over the meeting and asked every animal, "How do you make use of your tail?" Would you like to know what happened in that meeting of tailed animals? Puchhavatam Praninam Sabha. पुच्छवतां प्राणिनाम् अस्ति खलु सभा। पुच्छवतां प्राणिनाम् अस्ति खलु सभा। कीरसभापतिरस्ति सभायाः। कीरसभापतिरस्ति सभायाः। कीरो वदति, मित्राणि ईश्वरेण दत्तम् उपायनम् तव च मम च पुच्छमिदं। किम् अनेन प्रयोजनम्? किम् अनेन प्रयोजनम्? धेनुका वदति, इतस्ततश्चालयामि, मक्षिकान् वारयामि। इतस्ततश्चालयामि, मक्षिकान् वारयामि। अश्वो वदति, तथैव करोमि, अहमपि पुच्छेन दंशकान् वारयामि। शुनको वदति, आनन्दितो भवामि, पुच्छं चालयामि। आनन्दितो भवामि, पुच्छं चालयामि। वदति बिडाली, मम तथा नास्ति। शुनकेन सदृशं न करोम्यहं। कुपिता यदाहं फुल्लति पुच्छं, मम फुल्लति पुच्छम्। शाखामृगः वदति, किं सः? यदास्ति शैत्यं भवति पुच्छं मम कम्बलं। हे 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 हे। वानरो वदति उपरि अधः उपरि अधः करोमि झम्पं वृक्षात् वृक्षं करोमि झम्पं वृक्षात् वृक्षम्। मत्स्यो वदति मत्स्यो वदति मम पुच्छं यथा हस्तद्वयं तरामि जले स्वैरम् अहम् तरामि जले स्वैरम् अहम्। ततो हि वदति मयूरः प्रसारयामि मम बर्हं प्रसारयामि मम बर्हं वर्षाकाले करोमि नृत्यं करोमि नृत्यम्। कीरो वदति साधु साधु ईश्वरस्य दायस्य आदरो भवेत् आदरो भवेत्। सर्वे स्वपुच्छस्य उपयोगं कुर्वन्तु अन्यथा किं भविष्यति किं भविष्यति? द्विपादस्य मानवस्य पुच्छम् इव अस्माकं पुच्छम् अपि लुप्तं भविष्यति। When the meeting ended, all the animals decided, we have been gifted these tails for a purpose and we must make use of them. If we don't, we will lose our tails just like the two-legged human beings have lost theirs. Well, tail is just an example, but what these animals have to say is worth thinking about. When we don't make use of what we have been gifted with, we lose it. Each one of us is gifted with some special ability, some talent. Your elders, teachers, and well-wishers will help you to discover what you are good at. And once you have found your strengths, they will grow with constant use and practice. But if you don't use them, you lose them. Our gifts, our talents are not just there for us. They are meant to be shared with others. We benefit from others' talents. So we too must share our talents for the benefit of others. I came across this beautiful quote by someone. Your talent is God's gift to you. What you do with it is your gift back to God. And before I say goodbye, here is today's question. Which land animal has the longest tail? You look for the answer and I'll see you again next time. Punar Milama. Jai Shankar.